this video, we're going to take a look at Swipe, ticker SXP as a project, and look at its price prediction. Let's jump straight into this one. First things first, what exactly is Swipe? What do they do? Ticker SXP. Swipe is a global cryptocurrency debit card provider. So they have massive payment infrastructure, providing that across cryptocurrency, digital assets in general, NFTs, commodities. So they have a huge payments network in which businesses can then leverage off that with these cards, okay? So they issue, as you can see here, they issue both virtual and physical cards, right? So on these cards, for example, you'll be able to quickly fund your card via fiat and then exchange into BTC. And if you wanted to use that card to pay in shops, you can use whatever balance that you have on these cards. Now, they already have massive partnerships, as you can see here, Binance, FTX. They are huge, a couple of the huge cryptocurrencies in the world. Sorry, sometimes I lose my words because I just get so excited about the projects that I'm talking about. But they have huge clients already, Binance and FTX, and many, many others that are leveraging their technology. And in terms of here, you can see, obviously, they issue these cards. They have fees. How they make their money is a setup fee, of course, with this amazing technology that they have that's quite unique. And of course, they have processing fees. Now, all these fees, which is good, and this is where their native token comes into play, which is SXP. All of those are paid in their native token, SXP. Some of those fees, like the startup fees, for example, are waived if you do stake. So you can also stake their native token, SXP, as well. Now, let's just give you an example of the use case. So in terms of the use case, see it as this. If you are a business, you have a business, and you want to leverage off Swipe's technology. So what you do, you get the startup, right? Pay the startup fee, and then you get those cards issued, those virtual or those physical cards issued for your business. Now, those will be white label. You're just leveraging off Swipe's amazing technology and that strong payments network that they have. And that's what the likes of Binance and FTX and other many businesses are doing, in being able to provide those virtual or those physical debit cards that you can go and use and spend in shops with your, your fiat funded to cryptocurrency cards. You have those balances there. It's amazing. And as we move towards a world of mass adoption, it is coming. It is coming. Little baby steps, but I'm sure we're going to have further exponential growth. Solutions like this are going to be critical. And you got to think, cryptocurrency is just becoming more and more known. It's being more accepted in, retailers online, to pay for things. So this is a great solution for any business to want to add on as one of their services. Look, take a virtual card, take a physical card where you can easily fund via fiat and spend with cryptocurrency. So that's exactly what Swipe does. Now, I see some massive potential for them. Let's take a look at some price analysis for SXP. Now, before we get onto analysis for SXP, for Swipe, let me remind you, bring you a massive opportunity. Click the link in this description. It's huge, right? You know how profitable cryptocurrency exchanges are. We've seen it time and time with their reporting of their earnings. We saw a big US listed cryptocurrency exchange recently reporting their earnings. They made $2 billion, man, in the latest quarter just from transaction fees. And they are a fair and competitive exchange, just like CoinCasso, this channel that I'm reporting on now. CoinCasso, a great exchange with massive upside potential. They're providing some people like you and me to be well and truly involved as investors. Now, if you see here, go on coincasso.com/IR investor relations. You can see they've got a seeders campaign that's set to go live. This is exciting. Massive opportunity to potentially diversify just outside of your physical holdings, but instead own part of a cryptocurrency exchange. They benefit when the markets are rallying. They benefit when the markets are falling. They're making money all times, and they are also looking out for the best interest of you as well. So just wanted to bring you that quick update. Now, let's get on to SXP. Now, as you can see on CoinMarketCap, they are still in the top 100. Okay, they're number 99 on the list with a market cap of $655 million there for SXP. They have, let's get onto the price analysis. So here, look, if you can see on the monthly, price action is being supported by this monthly trend line. It's been in play there since the back end of 2020. You can see that in this recent bear market, we've cooled all the way down, trading around $1.35 here, as you can see. And recently just sort of trying to, hey, my alarm, excuse me, guys. bugger off. So finding support here at this trend line. We stage a potential rebound there in February, and we want to see that pushing to the upside, getting a closure above in this month of March, which I believe we can see. If you look at the all-time highs up here, from where we're at now in terms of price action, even if we were to rally, push back up to those all-time highs, that's still a big chunky move of 300%. We've seen, if you look left with me here, from around the current area, it's taken us about 1, 2, 3 months. Obviously, we're in a nice bull market there, but it's taken 3 months to achieve those all-time highs, to jump 300%. What market do you see those moves? You just don't see it anywhere. This is the beauty of cryptocurrency. So with SXP, as I say, massive real case value. There's no reason as to why this can't be bouncing from here. We've got key area of support at this trend line. Go up and re-challenge. Firstly, I think there's a bit of resistance here. We take out $3.30 area. So we break through this zone, give us a retest here, and then we go and challenge these all-time highs. And I think obviously those are cleared. We dwarf those, go into that firm psychological $6 mark, and well and truly beyond. There's no reason as to why this shouldn't pick up some pace as more and more businesses become aware of the swipe technology. I'm sure people want to be leveraging that, as I say, mass adoption coming into play there. So I think we go and jump 50%, 70% in the next sort of few months, potentially here with, excuse me, not 70%. This is what I mean why I'm so excited. There's no reason as to why we can't jump up to these all-time highs this year for sure, and that could be a nice chunky move. So guys, if you like this video, please, this is the only way I'm going to continue. I need you to smash up that subscribe button for me. I need you to hit up that like button, and I will deliver you more. There's so many gems out there in this cryptocurrency market, in this blockchain market. There's so many gems like this that have massive upside potential. Stay lit, stay blessed, let's get it.